Hello, my friend. Namaskar. So, in this video, we are going to see the syllabus of Assistant Manager Credit and Assistant Manager IT for the post of Union Bank Specialist Officer in very detail. So, here we are having the syllabus for the Credit and IT Officer. So, as you know, the exam pattern in that we are having here this exam pattern, your quant, reasoning, English, then your professional knowledge. So 75 question, 150 marks. It means some questions will be of the 2 marks. So it means we are expecting that some questions are from the numerical side also. Now credit and IT officer. So in the quant, we are having the arithmetic and number system. Then we are having algebra. We are having a data interpretation. In that bar chart, pie chart, Castle DI, examiner can ask. So the syllabus is similar to bank PO level, then we are having the time and work, then we are having the loss, a profit like this, then simple interest and compound interest, probability, your geometric, your average mixtures, logic quant like this. Then we are having our English syllabus in that we are having the grammar and sentence correction, vocab and word use, then your reading, comprehension, then your verbal ability and logic reasoning. Then we are having the reasoning. In that logical reasoning, analytical reasoning, syllogism and deductive reasoning, coding and decoding, inequalities and mathematical logic, data sufficiency, input and output reasoning. Then we are having the, or you can say main syllabus for the credit officer. In that we are having the accounting. In that marginal costing, social accounting, absolute costing, cost volume, profit analysis, activity based costing, inventory valuation, code sheet work, target costing, transfer pricing, overview of cost accounting guidelines. Then corporate accounting, in that insurance of share, divisor, profit, dividend, distribute, panel accounting, underwriting, valuation of goodwill and share, capital issue for future issue share, accounting of amalgamation of companies issued like this. Then we are having the business law, your provident fund, industry dispute act, labor law, process costing, negotiable instrument, gratuity, redemption, partnership act, contract at marginal cost and cost value profit. Then management accounting, ratio analysis, cash flow statement, budgeting, capital marketing, source of finance, capital structure, company law analysis, standard costing, variation analysis, and capital budgeting. Then we are having the capital structure, uh, cost of capital, fund flow statement, source of finance, job and batch costing, material labor cost and overhead cost, financial statement analysis, processing cost, contract costing, budgeting and budgetary control, economic and our basic of accounting. Okay. So then we are having our BTech IT. In that we are having the SOIT officer or SOIT officer. In that we are having the object oriented programming, your database management system, operating system, computer network protocol, software engineering principle, web development, introduction to AI, your you can cybersecurity, cloud operation, data science, big data, Internet of Things, and your mobile app development, basic questions of Android and this and OOPS programming language concept, OOPS your concept, blockchain, AI, and your DevOps. So this is the BTech general syllabus in which majority of the questions are to be covered. ठीक है, तो ये आपके majority of syllabus है. इसके बाद आपका extension क्या रहेगा? Extension रहेगा your work profile. Maybe you work as a DevOps. So some questions from the DevOps, some questions from networking, some questions data analytics, some questions data engineering, some questions cyber security, software development, scripting, and Gen AI, machine learning, operating system, Windows, Linux, and Unix database administrator. In that, we are having the backup recovery, disaster recovery, data center operation, virtualization, hypervisor, API development, and maintenance. In that, API security and monitoring. Now, some students have done the certification also. So from here, we can also expect some question. So, but this is the advanced part. So you don't have to focus very, but here little bit, if you have the time, you can focus on the certification part also. In that, we are having the AWS, your CCSP, your CCNA. So CCNA, you can say the student who is having the strong fundamental of networking, he can do this. then WED, then your cyber security certification, your data analytics certification, your data engineering certification, like these questions, your you can say fundamental of AI ML in the data science machine learning database के अंदर आपका जैसे SQL होती है, कैसे SQL क्वेरी इंडेक्सिंग क्या है, बैकअप रिकवरी, डिजास्टर प्लान, एपीआई डेवलपमेंट, एपीआई गेटवे, एपीआई सिक्योरिटी, माइक्रो सर्विस आर्किटेक्चर, एपीआई इंटीग्रेशन, देन सम जनरल क्वेश्चंस ऑफ क्लाउड. सो यहाँ पे क्लाउड रिलेटेड आपके ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, तो ये भी आपको देखना है. सो दिस इज अ कंप्लीट सिलेबस as I have discussed. So this PDF I will share to you guys. So I hope from this you have an idea. इसी के साथ दोस्तों जय हिंद जय भारत. And if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section of the video.